Assalamualaikum, good afternoon, all of my friends. Today I'm going to show the marketing model using the AnyLogic. So basically, we do today we will build the in a agent-based model with of consumer on where each consumer will be an agent to help to understand how to how a product enter the market. So we use the analogic software here. So is it here? So we are making some few pieces. So I doing the first phases here. So this one is before make the phase I have to make a new table, and we have to download the analogic also. So model. So I make the icon here, and you can choose the file here where you have to save your documents, everything. So I choose the folder here. Okay, then here second I have to do this one is maybe days, yeah, days. Okay, then finish. So it's as you can see we are creating the new table here. Okay, so the table is done. So our first phase we are doing the creating the agent population. So we're doing the agent population. So first thing we have to take the agent here. So I drag the agent here. Okay, so here are few type of the agent type. So I took the population agent here. Then the agent type is consumer. Okay, then click next. Then I took the person here, then 2D. Okay, then next. Then the parameter, I have to add the parameter here. So parameter here is add effectiveness, add effectiveness 0 point, and the expression I have to give 0.01. Then I have to do the next again, and the here the create the population I doing the 5,000 here, 5,000. Then doing the next here, and the here apply the random layout. Okay, then finish. After that I have to click the here. So we already create the consumer here. So this is the agent here. I click here, then I go to the advanced here, and then draw the agent set percent. Okay, I think it's done. So let's save it. Okay, let's do the run. Okay, so as you can see the our mm, no video is successfully run. So this is, you can see the consumer here 5,000 here, and you can see the consumer here. So it is successfully run. So now now I doing the second phase. That one is defining a consumer behavior, defining the consumer behavior. So this one I have to go the project here, then I have to click the consumer here. Okay, after that I have to go the palette, then you have to take the state chart, and I have to take one state chart here. Okay, then I have to take one state here. And this one we have to give the name. So this one I give the potential user. So I give the name here is potential user. The color here, we choose the lavender color here, and interaction, we have to do something, the shape body dot set fill color is lavender, LAVENDER, set color lavender. Okay, so this one is done. After that, we have to we have to add another state here. So I have to take the another state here. Okay, and this one I have to give the name is user. So user, the color, I give the yellow green, and the injection same shape body dot set fill color yellow green. Okay, so we have to connect, we have to transition these two. So we have to click the transition here, then bring our transition here, and this one, we have to give the name here, the transition, we give the name is AD, and the timeout here we put the rate here, and the rate, the add effectiveness. This one also same like the per day. Okay, this one we just show here. After that, we have to go the market here, and we have to check the market, and make sure here is days. Okay, then save the system, then run again. Let's see. Then you can see is the yellow green color is keep increasing, so it's successfully running, so no more error, so it should be okay. Now I do the third one, the phase 3. The phase 3 is the adding a chart to visualize the model output. Adding a chart to visualize the model output. Okay, so first we have to go the main, and we have to click the consumer here, and as you can see the statistic here, we have to click here the statistic, and we have to make the item here. So place the add button here, then you have to write it down here in potential, in potential. Okay, so then here the condition is item dot instead, item dot instead consumer dot potential potential user. Okay, so this is done, and we have to add another one, that one is user. So we have to write it down here, user, or it's n user, I'm sorry, n user. And then the condition, I have to give the item dot in state consumer dot user, consumer dot user. After that we have to go the palette here again, and then we have to select the analysis. We have to click the analysis here, and we have to take one time step. So we take one time step here. This one we can design so many things. We can, if you want to design, no problem. And then I have to make the true data set here. I have to set the data here. So here is the first one, is title is user. The first one is users, okay. And the value, users value is consumer consumers dot end user. And the color is yellow green. And as you can see, the previous one we have it two, right? So I have to do one more. That one is potential user. Potential users. And the value is consumer consumers dot np in potential. After that we have to go in scale here. So this one I have to choose the color as well. The color is lavender. Okay, then I have to go the scale here. The scale is 1 to year. One to year, and this one is fixed 0 to 5,000. 1 year and a 0 to 5,000. After that we have to data update here. The data update here 365, 0 to days, 1 to days, 365. And the last one, the appearance. We can say the format here, which I took this one. After that the consumer, I have to put the bit of array here. Okay, after that save the model here, then run. Let's see. So as you can see, it's successfully running. So far is okay, no problem. So now we do the phase 4. The phase 4, that is adding word of a mouth effects. So first thing, we have to open the consumer here. Okay, then we have to add two more parameters. So parameters, we have to click the agent, then agent, have to bring the agent here. Oh, sorry, I have to took the parameter here. So I have to took the two parameter. So the first one, I have to give the name here. The first one is contact rate. Contact rate. The double, and the value here is, the first one is 1. Okay, and the second parameter, name is ADOPTION fraction, refraction, and this one, the value is 0.01. After that, we have to do we have to take the one more transaction here. And the transaction name is contact, and here I have to select the rate, then contact rate. Contact rate, and the action I have to write it down here. Send to random. Send random by here. After that, I have to take the one more transaction here. This one I just show, and this one I call WOMO. The timeout is message by here. and the guard you have to write it down, random to ADOPTION TION fraction, adoption fraction. Okay. After that, save the file here. Okay, let's do the run. Oh, okay, they are showing some error. So let's see. Okay, we have to select the string here. Okay, here's select this one by only. Okay, let's save again. Then okay, we got some error here. Let's see. They're showing something. They're showing the sent here. The spelling wrong is, so I have to d here. Okay, then I save again. Okay, after that run again. Let's see. Should be okay maybe. Okay, so finally successfully running. So now no more error already. So let's see how is the face. Okay, as you can see, we already make the consumer table here, and we can see the user, the yellow green color, and the potentially the lavender color is increasing, keep increasing. And then we already complete the 4 phases, so now we're doing the phase 5. So phase 5 is considering the product discard, so we are adding the discard here. So before we add the discard, so we took the one more parameter here. Okay, and this parameter we have to give the name is discard. Then the type, we have to do the time. Yeah, with the time and the unit. Second too, we have to do the months here, and here the default value we have to give the 6 here. Okay, so here is done. Then we have to take the one more transaction here. Okay, this one call. So this one with the name here is discard, DISKARD, discard. Then the timeout here. here the name, discard, okay, the timeout, and we discard the time, discard the time, and here set the months. Okay, just set the file here, then let's do the run. We got some error before, so we just try again. Discard time here. Let's save the file and run again. So I think it should be successfully run. Yeah, it's successfully run. It's keep increasing, so no more error here. So this is the phase number 5. Is just add the discard time here. That's all. So now we do the phase number 6. That one is considering the delivery time. Considering the delivery time. So this one we have to do. So we have to do first. This one we bring down here like that. Then we have to disconnect all of the things like that. Then we have to. After that we have to take the one more state here. Then add here. And this one we have to give the name here, wants to buy, WANTS, to wants to buy. The fill color we select the gold here, and then interaction, shape body dot set fill, set fill color gold, set fill color the gold. And after that we have to add the one more transaction here. This one is PUCHASE, process. And here is a timeout, and here you have to give the value is 2. The days is okay. Show the processor. Okay. Now we have to click the main menu, and we have to click the consumer here again, and then we have to go the static here, and then we have to add here one more. That one is n want to buy, nw want to buy, and the condition here item dot instate consumer dot want to buy. Want consumer in the main menu, we have to click the data set here, and we have to update the data here also. So the time stick set, we have to add the value data set. Okay, the title is 1 2, the title is 1 to buy, and the value consumer dot mw a n t 1 2 want to buy, and the color is should be gold. Then this one give the second position. Okay, after that, so the menu here, then let's run again. They're showing some error. Okay, so let's check again for the problem. So we just got some error here. We forgot to put the symbol here, so that's why they're showing the error. So now should be okay. Let's run again. So as you can see, it's working or not. Okay, so you can see it's a successfully run. It's no more error. This one is very important. There's some little bit symbol or a little bit words also. This one showing error. So be careful. Mm, every time we have to looks properly. So you can see the bold color is keep increasing here. Okay, so we already done the 6 phases. So now we're doing the phase number 7, that is celebrate the consumer in impatience. So let's start. Okay, so first we have to click the main, and we have to scroll the button here, and we have to take the 2 more parameter here. Here one, here one. So we have to give the name of the parameter. So first one is max waiting time, waiting, max waiting time. Here is double. Okay, and here is the well 7. Okay, and one more, this one max delivery, max delivery time, and this one have to give the 25. Okay, so now we go back the consumer again, and we click the purchase here, and we see the timeout here. We select this one, and then we choose the probability distribution. You have to click here. Then we have to change, and we have to check the triangle here, triangular. Then we change here 1.0, and 25 max is okay, and the mode is 2.0. Okay, then press OK. uh, Now we have to add the one more transition. That's one call is uh, cannot wait. So we go the transaction here. This one is wants to buy. Okay, this one the name is can't, WAIT, can't wait. This one's timeout, and here we have to write it down here. The try try ANGULAR triangular AB main dot waiting max waiting time 0.15. Then we have to go the presentation here. Then we have to click the main. Then we have to go here. It will be scroll down. Then we have to take the slider. Now we have to take the slider box. So here we have to click the OK. Then the slider box, you have to drag it here. Okay, then horizontal and link to max waiting time, and this one is 2 to 15. Okay, at the label here, and after that we have to take another slider here. This one slider 1, this one link to max delivery time, this one 5 to 25. Okay, at the label here. After that we can do the presentation here. We took the text here, and we can write it down here. Max waiting time, max waiting time, and you can take one more here. Max delivery time, and the text max waiting time here, and we can change the size here. So I took the tape size 12 here. It's a bit of bigger. So this one also I took 12 here. So now it looks a bit of bigger here. After that, save, then run the model. Let's see what's the problem. Okay, so we can see here is the golden color is keep increasing. We can see the max delivery time here. We can see the max waiting time also here. So it's like keep increasing. So until 7 we are successfully run. It's no error. Should be okay. So we okay dot